Now, as you all know, I was supposed to announce the giveaway winners like 2 days ago, but my Binance account got restricted, just as you can see. And I went through some challenges like finding it difficult to send crypto and also trade on pay-to-pay. That is the issue I faced during the weekend, and after chatting with the Binance support system, I finally resolved the issue a few hours ago. So I'll be announcing the giveaway winners for last week. And before I do that, I want to announce to you that I'll be rebranding my logo and banner, but the name remains the same. And you need to know that all giveaway winners are selected randomly. And if you did not hear your name, you might be the winner for the next giveaway. And if you are among the winners and your name was mentioned, you just got to message me on Twitter at SimplyDMO. And you have to message me with your details I will request for. And as you might know, I said last week giveaway is on crypto, and I will be giving out 1,200 TRX to 4 lucky winners. Now, before I mention any name, I just want to remind you of the tags so that you don't miss out on the future giveaways. The first task is to make sure you subscribe to my new YouTube channel by just clicking on the subscribe button, then turn on the bell icon. That is just the first task. While the second task is to make sure you follow me on Twitter at SimplyDMO. That is just the first and second task, which all the links are always on the video description or on the pinned comment. While the last task is to make sure you subscribe to this official YouTube channel and like this video, and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that you always get notified anytime I drop an update. And with that being said, the first winner is from my Telegram community, which is known as El Capitano on my Telegram community. So you just got to send me your details. And the second winner is from my Twitter followers, which is known as Alfred Sampson Top Shark. As usual, you just got to send me your details. Now, before moving to the next 2 winners, make sure you have performed all the tasks and abide by all the rules, because I'll be strict. And you might be the next lucky winner on the next giveaway. And the third winner is from my Twitter followers, which is known as Mishak with Twitter username as Mishak5Y. While the last winner of the last week giveaway is known as Excel Nelson with Twitter username as Nelson_Excel. So if your name is mentioned, you just got to message me on Twitter with your TRX address and make sure it is on the TRC20 network. And to you that did not hear your name, just obey the tags and follow all the instructions. You will hear your name shortly on the future giveaways. And with that being said, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for your compliment and your questions, as this will be it for this video.